Hey everybody, Greg here, coming to you with another episode of Greg's Bonsai. Today, I've got another surprise lemon tree. I apparently forgot one as I was doing this. So my last video where I had a lemon tree that was an introduction, I kind of lied to you guys, I apologize. I found this guy just sitting there and I said, hey, I have not done a video on this guy. So this is going to be designated lemon tree F for all intents and purposes. So he's a little different, but we'll go through that and we'll see what we can do with this as we go on here. So like I said, this is lemon tree, grown from seed, just like all the other ones, and is losing a little bit of its leaves, which is fine, not a huge deal. Does have some left, and these guys are going to be going in inside very soon. The weather here in zone 4B is starting to turn lighter. We're in the 70s now, and we're dropping into the mid to high 50s at night. So yeah, these guys are going to start wanting to be in a little warmer inside my grow tent with the nice, dedicated light. But just going through a tour here of this lemon tree. You can kind of see the leaves are a little different, a little longer and a little narrower compared to some of it. And these guys are not as shiny. I'm not sure if I can really get that seen here on the video, just with the way the lighting is. But we do still have, and it's hard to see here. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in on a specific area. Let's see if I go in, there we go. In the macro mode here, you can kind of see right here that we do have some new growth coming in on that and the one just north of it. And we do have a little bit of growth happening. Let's see if I can get in here, right here as well. So we do have some growth happening right here, but not as big right now just because it's cooling off down outside. But if we look at the shape, it goes up pretty straight. See where we lost a few of the starting leaves that popped up with this guy. Pretty flexible in this citrus style soil, and it looks like we have a little bit of moss growing, which is great. But it started splitting, and this is where the fun choices will come when I start doing some chopping next year, is where and what do we keep on this, because this is going into a V, but we have an extra branch kind of coming up here, and then also have one coming up here that has nothing on it. So this will probably get trimmed off, maybe even when I take it inside, just to kind of allow for that energy. It looks like I may have down here a little sucker coming on, but we'll see how that goes. Do have some death and decay up here, which I'll probably end up cleaning up when I start taking it inside. And we do have leaves kind of crossing in, so I'm just gonna have to clear those up just to help with the growth. But like I said, it looks kind of messy, but it is healthy. This is really just a grand experiment of mine. I started growing these, I think, I want to say February. So this is as big as it's gotten now. My A, B, and C lemons are about twice the size of this, and I will probably be doing an update on my biggest one here soon. I think it's C, that just is branching off like crazy and looking amazing. My idea, I might be doing like making one full size and then transferring them down and smaller. So this guy might end up being one of my smaller ones, which is okay. No, all lemons are not grown equal. No tree really is grown equal, or plant. It just depends on the seed and its genetics and all that other fun stuff. But as you notice on here as well, there are no thorns. A lot of my smaller ones do not have thorns yet. I don't know if it's just because of the size or what, and we'll see as these grow if we do get thorns to grow in on them. But until then, we will just enjoy this and see how it goes. But we'll update you on this probably all winter long, because that's really what we're at. And these will be the only ones that are really going to be growing for the winter, as my other trees will be going into cold storage and just kind of hibernating. So these will be the exciting ones. And it seems like lemon trees, on my channel at least, are the ones that seem to be the most watched. I'm not sure why. If you guys can let me know down below why, I would love to know. But I have this, I have apples for fruit, I have mangoes, clementines as all fruit. If there are other fruit trees, and I have pomegranates as well. I've got like 12 pomegranates. But if you guys want to let me know of any other fruit trees that you'd like to see grown, let me know down in the comments below. And if I have a video of it already, I'll link it towards you so that you can have a view of it. Just make sure to check out my channel. If you've liked this, make sure to hit the like button. And make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. And that bell for getting notified when things come in. I tend to try and post at least 3 times a week on my channel. So far that seems to be working for me, and being able to get that work in for you guys just to kind of see this content. And during the week I try and get some shorts in as well, just to kind of break it down and get some intros for my videos up there just so that people can see it. But I like to showcase some of my garden, some of my vegetables and fruits that are growing. But until next time, guys, like I said, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and that little bell. And we'll see you guys next time. So take care, and thanks for watching. Later.